See, I don't know how much.
All the way, no?
I just did a little.
High enough so it's either close or...
Okay, I just did a little, like a couple turns. Okay, yeah, there's some pressure. And then, oh yeah, that's good. And then, I think next we're supposed to purge, right?
Yeah.
So then, yeah, you do the middle. Alright, you do it for like 5 seconds, whatever, and then. Something pink. Then we got the pressure in there.
Yeah.
Did it purge long enough? I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's 5 seconds. He said
Right.
1,000, 1,000. No, turn it on, no?
And then, yeah, I guess we turn it on, right?
Go.
Okay, then. How, do you remember how we said to get rid of? Oh, that means something's not open enough, right?
What?
When it's bouncing?
Yeah. You gotta tighten the valves up?
I thought up here. I'm not. These are all tight. Yeah, maybe something's not open enough. Oh, fuck, I closed it.
How do you know when it's closed? When it's tight?
Yeah. When it goes in. Oh, wait, no. When it goes in, that's open. Let's try this side. They're open all the way now, I think. I'm not sure. This is where I'm a little confused.
Protected.
The blue one.
Close ones and
Yeah, we're supposed to do something with this red one, but I don't know how to make it stop bouncing. I completely opened them. So I got it to stop bouncing.
Still bouncing?